Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into the Ionic mobile app development platform, exploring its features, usage, and overall developer experience. Find links to all mentioned resources in the description below. So, what makes Ionic a compelling choice for mobile app creation? Ionic is an open-source UI toolkit designed for crafting high-performance, cross-platform applications using familiar web technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This means you can build apps for iOS, Android, and the web from a single code base, a significant advantage for web developers looking to transition to mobile without the steep learning curve of native languages like Swift or Kotlin. One of Ionic's core strengths lies in its extensive library of pre-built, mobile-optimized UI components and themes. These components are designed with responsiveness and adaptability in mind, guaranteeing your app maintains a native look and feel across various devices. Furthermore, Ionic integrates seamlessly with popular front-end frameworks like Angular, React, and Vue, offering flexibility in your development approach. Ionic also boasts Capacitor, a robust cross-platform runtime that provides access to native device APIs, like camera, GPS, and file storage, without requiring in-depth native coding knowledge. Deployment and testing are streamlined through a cloud-based suite, Ionic AppFlow, which facilitates CI/CD, live updates, and app publishing. Ionic is particularly well-suited for startups, SMEs, and larger enterprises aiming to minimize development time and costs without compromising on user experience quality. Its speed and iterative nature also make it a popular choice for developers building MVPs or internal business tools. From my own experience, Ionic's documentation and community support are outstanding, simplifying troubleshooting and scaling projects effectively. While Ionic might not be the optimal choice for graphically demanding applications like high-end games, its versatility shines across a wide spectrum of use cases, from e-commerce platforms to healthcare applications. In conclusion, Ionic provides a robust and developer-friendly ecosystem for building professional-grade mobile applications with speed and efficiency. If versatility, scalability, and rapid development are your priorities, Ionic deserves serious consideration. Check the description below for links to get started with Ionic today.